In a major revelations, intelligence sources have claimed that arms which were used to spread unrest and violence in Manipur were smuggled via Myanmar. According to a report in India today, a significant consignment of weapons was received in Manipur via the Myanmar route in the month of June 2023. Confidential sources also revealed that a large cache of weapons was procured by active insurgent groups in Manipur in 3 vehicles. According to the information, weapons are being brought to the Myanmar border from the black market located on the Myanmar-China border, from where they are being sent to Manipur. Intelligence agencies suspect that militant outfits are transporting weapons through the open Indo-Myanmar border to send weapons to Manipur. However, according to sources, a red alert has been issued along the border to prevent violence in Manipur, and the open border with India and Myanmar is being constantly monitored. As tensions continue to simmer in various parts of Manipur, law enforcement agencies are working diligently to maintain control and restore normalcy. The Manipur police, supported by central forces, have made significant recoveries and arrests in ongoing operations. 4 people, including an IRB Jawan, were arrested in connections with arms smuggling. The arrests were made during a search operation conducted by a combined team of Imphal District Commando, Haingang Police and 16 JAT Regiment at Kairong Awang Lekai, Komidog and Haikrumakong. Arms and ammunition along with Rs 2.5 lakh in cash, some mobile phones and 2 four-wheelers were recovered during the search. Additionally, 12 bunkers spread across various districts in both the hills and the valley were demolished.